What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s page. And today we're going to be installing this third brake light onto the diffuser. So if you guys saw the last vlog, we installed this 3-piece diffuser on the G37, and the last touch is putting in the third brake light. So now this light is for a 370Z, so the wiring is a little bit different than the G37. We're going to figure that out. I'll show you guys which cable goes to which. Should look pretty dope. So I want to show you guys how the car currently looks right now. Pretty much stock. The stock G35 race, candy purple pink, fenderless, no more carbon for now. Yeah, looking like a bucket. Parts should be coming in within the next month or two. But for now, this is what she looks like. This is how I daily it. I know it's hideous, but whatever. Once it's complete, it's gonna look pretty badass. But for now, this is how she looks. Alright guys, so I took off part of the wood I have in the trunk to have access to the outside from the inside. So luckily my car, I'm not sure if all the G37s have this, but my car has this plug. Just take it off, it's the rubber piece, and now you have access to the outside. So from there, I'll be running the wiring into the brake light. So let's start doing that. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by removing this cover right here. It just snaps right off. And there's a couple tabs right here that need to come out to be able to pull it. Well, I think just one. There's just one that's right here. Just this little one comes off easily. And just like that, you have access to the harness. So this is a plug that runs the stock G37 brake light and reverse light. So now we just gotta match these wires with the brake light wires. Alright guys, so on the actual harness we have a couple cables. On the brake light we only have 4 cables. So from the brake light, the black will go to the obvious black on the harness. The green will go to the green with the yellow stripe on the harness. The red on the brake light will go to the green with the red stripe on the harness. The white one on the brake light is the reverse light, which I'm assuming goes to, I don't know. That's the hard part. I want to find out. I'm not sure which of these is the reverse light, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so I already wired the brake lights. You can see all the tape right here. I called my friend 56 Deuce. He does custom light work on headlights and taillights. So I figured I would call him and ask him about the wiring up the reverse light. He told me that the reverse light on this harness for the G37 is the one that has the black with the white stripe. So I'll go ahead and be cutting into that, connecting the white wire from the third brake light into the black and white wire from the harness. So I'm wired up and I'll show you guys the end product. I connected all the wiring. I connected the reverse light to the black and white one. So right now I'm just gonna tuck everything away, clean up my mess, and I'll show you guys how the brake light looks. I will be putting some double-sided tape onto the brake light, and that's what's going to be holding it into the diffuser. And then I'll put everything back together and it should be complete. I'll show you guys the end product. Cool. Alright guys, there you have it. That was sort of a DIY installation of the third brake light. I'm pretty happy with it, you know, no complaints. Looks pretty cool, and let me show you guys how it looks when it's turned on. Hope you guys like it. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also stay tuned for future posts on YouTube only for the progress of my car. I don't plan on posting anything on Instagram until it's finally finished. So I will be posting the entire progress on YouTube only. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and like and drop a comment. Any questions you might have regarding the installation for the diffuser or the brake light, go ahead and leave it on the comments and we'll respond to it. And we'll see you guys on the next time. Stay cool.